Was good. Was popping.
Hello.
Meet Matilda.
Hi, I'm Matilda.
My name is D.I.Y and she is
Matilda.
Today, what are we doing? Today's video is a DIY right there. So that feels like there's nothing happening there, but I mean, it could be nicer. Let's get right into the things we need in. Pretty simple, because I'm a very simple person. She's a very simple person, and our DIYs have to be very simple. Everybody can do this. Let's start. I printed these things, so all I did was Google inspirational quotes, and then black and white here, and then I just searched for the ones I like the messages I like reading. Then, you know what this is? Popsicle sticks. They make me sick. I wiggle and I
What?
You know how we be singing political sense, no mistake.
And the lower and the upper and the
Yes. So then,
it's actually
yeah, there was this lady that taught me. I remember we're playing somewhere, she's like, no, that's not it. They make me sick. I was like,
so I've been saying it wrong.
language, people.
Sorry, cover that part.
Cutter. What is it called? A utility knife for all the cutting.
Wait, what's this?
Flowers. I got this from Melcom. I don't know how much I got it for. I really have no idea what exactly I'm doing, but then we find out.
She's going to make something great. I'm just helping out.
Right? Of course. Scissors. This is what you use to cut off bad energy, bad people.
No, this is bigger. I think they need
Yes,
this.
we need this. This right here is a cake board.
Huh? Do you know when people bake cakes for you, they always want their board back? Why?
I never knew that. They are
I
very
don't know, but
stingy.
most of the people I know, when they make cakes, they want their board back.
Well, I got this at Melcom for how much? 2 CDs. Yeah, 2 CDs. Yeah, that's pearls. I really don't know what I'm going to do with this, but it's okay. Oh, glue. I forgot that. Yeah. So I have 2 options. I was looking for a particular glue. It's in this yellow tube with a black head. I can't seem to find. We'll make do with this. And then, oh wait, paint brushes and a cup for like. Wow! Acrylic paints, different colors. I don't think I'm going to be using all. And yes, this I also got from Melcom, mountain tape. So I'll be sticking this on before I stick the frame, whatever. Ooh, yeah, I almost forgot. Empty box. We got this from somebody. We had to ask somebody for this.
Oh!
Because we do our boxes and we're like, oh yeah, we might need boxes. So this is another one.
No, that's not what happened.
What happened?
We just threw our boxes away and
Okay.
we happened to
We threw our boxes away.
because we thought they were of no use. But then
Oh yes, ruler.
but I'm not done.
Sorry.
So we thought I forgot what I
Wait, one last thing.
She didn't even pay.
I can hear you breathe.
Oh, Instagram.
A ruler and a pen for drawing. So that's it. Wait, YouTube people. No, never mind. So let's get right into the video. We're about to begin. Are you ready? Okay. I hope you can hear me. I think they can. So first things first, I'm going to be destroying this box.
Who?
The people that you don't expect, they're the ones that will blow your mind. The box is there. Mama,
Oh, sorry. I had some small jollof.
Oh, this is so hard to cut. Yay! We go get ice cream. smell chicken?
Yes, I can.
Why is this thing not opening? What is going on? Oh, there's something on it.
Ah, the one that they remove, no?
You bab. I so forgot. The paper didn't work. Ah, it's working, Matilda.
Ah, okay, we use it.
I don't even want to use it. Bye bye. Guys, updates. I originally wasn't going to do it this way, but I kind of made a mistake, so I'm trying to correct my mistakes. And my mom will say every mistake is a new style, so yeah. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of this over here and then here. You know something? I just folded the thing and I was like, okay, interesting. Yes. I think this one, maybe I'll use the pink flowers. Will it make sense? Oh yeah, it makes sense. Oh, it makes a lot of sense. I'm now sticking this thing around it. That's basically what I'm doing. I'm going to be using a bead too. I'm tired. Look at you. Trying to use sense to collect the thing from my hand.
Oh, you can put it here and see.
I said I'll not put it there. Look, it's turning out fine. Not bad. Money was inside and by now I finished.
Creativity at its peak.
Oh yeah, help me. Some card. In putting one day rules. I have to do another rules. It looks like it's talking.
That one too. How are you going to do it? Don't tell me you're using paper glue.
So I'm done with the first one. I'm going to make it dry or let it dry. Right. So put that
See,
here.
honestly, the paper glue has bust my mind. I mean, how does it stick to a pearl?
I know, yeah, and I estimated paper glue and it has proven you wrong. Why is this glue not working for this one? This cardboard here, it has the mind of a spoon. No cardboard, but it's common cardboard.
Maybe I thought about this, but we would have exchanged. Maybe we would have used this one. I've got my things into the
I need water.
You need water.
So this is a cup of water. I'm going to be painting on the sides of this one. And then my brushes. Oh, I used this for the glue and now it's hard. So I have only one brush now. Wow. And I have only one. I should have. How am I going to do this? Wow, this is going to be pretty interesting. I brought two brushes, but then I used one for the glue and now I can't seem to get it off. Still do something, right? Since it's a white background with black, right? And for this particular one, I'm thinking something that has to do with matte cloth designs. I don't know, that's all I can picture right now. So I know this means something in fertility. I'm such a nice person, you know? Very considerate. I could have stayed in the sheets, but very bad brush. is for a brush.
What's it?
Is it this one that you said you like? Me, I'm tired. And I want you to continue. What are we? Even this one is enough. Dede. So we are finally done. I'm so tired. I'm about to stick it on the wall, but like, let's make you see what's we did. So this, what does it say? You know the funny thing about this one? So when I was printing this, I didn't really read. You know where you read something, but you're not reading. It's like your mind is telling you those are the words, but it's not. Those are not the words. So then after I read that, I was like, wait, there's something missing. So see, do more of what makes
you happy.
You happy. The you is missing, but
so you just have to put yourself there, like you.
Do more of what makes you happy, right? This one, you know the funny thing, we didn't plan anything. Is that funny?
Yeah. So
the thing is, we didn't plan
Yeah.
anything. So we're just like going with it. So this is the back. I used the box for my cake, turnable, whatever. So yeah, this is it. This one says every day may be good, may not be good, but there's good in every day. Like it.
It's nice.
You see, if you look carefully, you realize that
it's all smashed up and everything. You could use paper glue, but just don't squeeze too much.
Yeah. I don't know.
This is our
Still
best.
fine.
Can't wait to show you guys.
I think that is your best. Like, why you? Okay, but well, I like this one.
This is
this
the
one,
best.
This like pretty interesting, different. I don't know what I was doing with this one.
So many colors.
Yeah. So we used
You read the meaning into
popsicle
it.
sticks. Like, so that's what we did here, and then we just painted it with acrylic paints. We're just like going with the flow.
So this is our creative girl. So she came up with all this, and we did it.
So now it's time for us to stick it on the wall.
And this, I really don't know what this is all about.
I like this one. I was going with the whole mud. What's it called? Mud cloth inspired something, but I really don't know what I was going. I think let's blame it on the curtain.
Yeah.
That box was terrible.
Should we mention? Nah, we good. We're not mentioning it. But it's a Milo curtain. We're about to go 100.
Yeah. Do what my shirt says. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. This girl looks so funny.
I forgot to wear mine, so.
Oh, should I say something? So we are using the mountain tape.
A bit up. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Tape time.
Is it me or this one is a bit crooked?
Yeah, it is. It's crooked. Oh, well.
You can't.
Achia.
It's like the same thing. There is no such thing as perfection.
It's not straight. I want it to be straight.
No. Up. Up. Down.
It's okay.
Wait.
It's okay.
Put it there.
It's okay.
See, paste it here. Yes.
But so that if is it straight?
It's straight. My favorite. Post it.
See,
I want
see
to
something.
here.
When
I
you
want
sleep,
it there.
when you sleep.
You don't cannot.
Oh God. I don't care. We have to look at it when you wake
On
up.
my lips. And we finished all this.
Why are we kneeling down?
The mountains.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and try doing this yourself. Follow me on Instagram at Pearl
And
Ivor.
shop Pearl Ivor. She makes
Follow
some
her on Instagram.
Tilly Ollie.
Bye.
Never give up.
Enjoy life.
Laugh.
Be creative.
Laugh.
Because God is creativity. But really, do you like it? Tell me what
Oh
you
yeah, I do.
As long as she likes
I
it.
do, but I just have a problem.
So you like it?
I do.
I'm editing this part out.
I love it. It's really nice.
So
I
thank
love
you
it.
for watching.
Bye.